Meaning of general election.
General election.
General election.
General election.
General election. A general election is a type of election where all eligible citizens in a country or region cast their vote to elect representatives to the government. The term general implies that all seats in the government are up for election, unlike a by-election where only one seat is available. Results of a general election determine the political makeup of the government and can have major implications for policies and governance. The outcome of a general election could result in a change in leadership or a shift in the balance of power within the government.